This project just started off with a bit of scrap wood, and then before you know it, a few cuts on the bandsaw, and I turn it into a nice family of elephants. Stick around if you want to see how I make these, and there'll be free plans in the shop below. Let's get started. Start off with, I'm using this thick pallet slat I had left over from when I built the shed. I still got a few of these kicking around. They're great for projects like this because they're nice and chunky bit of wood. And I'm just laying it out and trying missing out as much of the knots that I can on this piece of wood and nail holes. And then I'm just using the forcing a bit to drill out the holes. The smallest one is 15mm, middle's 25, and the largest is a 35mm forcing a bit. So I drilled all the way, almost all the way through until it stuck out the back, and then I flipped it over and then drilled from the other side. And that's where my first issue started, because from what I can remember from reading online, that's what people say to do, but for some reason the lines didn't always line up, so there's a little bit of misalignment. And then it got me thinking, maybe I should be pilot holing with a small drill bit all the way through and then doing it. If anyone down that knows and can let me know what I'm doing wrong, that would really help me out. Thank you for watching this far through. If you could subscribe to the channel, it would help me out a lot. And look at all three are done. Now I am drilling out the eyes by going down a couple of mil. I started off with a wood drill bit, which because of the spike didn't really work in the end of it, so then I moved over to a metal drill bit. Off the top of my head, I can't remember the size ones I used, but I just lined it up with my template and went with that way. And then I moved on to sanding. Sanding, I went through the stages with a belt sander to get what I can. Then I moved over to the files to do some of the inner parts. And then moved over to this attachment here for the drill. To use the nice drum sanding bit that obviously you've seen me use before on my channel. And then over to the hand sander. Just a lot of sanding. I am using dark oak breeze wax, and I am using still wool to apply it, and it's just wipe on, wipe off sort of technique. Just coat everywhere you can, and then remove any excess. I made sure the whole for the eye I completely filled with wax, so when it dried, it gave off the darker eye color. I did wonder about using like black super glue or something like that to fill in the hole, but I went with the wax method instead. And then I'm just going to polishing it with the rag, which just now give off a nice shine now. I left about 5 to 10 minutes after applying it before I polished. Now look at that. These are now complete. What do you guys think? And this isn't the first elephant I've made on the channel. I've also made this elephant many years ago. Which design do you think is better? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to pick up your free plan for this build. And let me know what else you would like to see on the channel this year. My 12 Scrapwood Days of Christmas did extremely well, and I can't thank you enough to how far forward it pushed me, and I just can't believe the figures I was getting. So now it's your turn to let me know, what would you like to see me building on the channel? Are you liking these little items a bit like all the Scrapwood challenge items were, or would you like some of the bigger stuff like what I've made in the past? Or just let me know and I see what I can do. And if you enjoyed this video, I have queued up a video just like this one right here for you, and I'll see you on the next one.